Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check if any of the program or game is using your external or dedicated GPU. First you go to NVIDIA control panel, then wait for it to open and go to desktop and just check the display GPU activity icon, and this will show you if any of the game or program is using the GPU. You can see that right now it is inactive and no application is using it. So let me give you a demo if any program is using the GPU, and it will show it here. Now you can see that the Android emulator is open and the activity bar is showing up and my laptop's fan has started. So that's all.